Alright guys, aftermath after what happened with the storm last night. This is one of them, so stay tuned. I'm going to be doing clips, guys. You might hear my seatbelt thing in here, but I just don't have it on at the moment, and I can't put it on because I have the phone and thing in my hands at the moment. So this is some of the aftermath. That's what's happening with this Hurricane Beryl, and we're moving down, and even the dog is confused right now. This dog don't even know where to go. Oh my god, man. This is it, guys. Yeah, this is some of the stretch that we drove down here already, guys. This thing will go off in a second, guys. Pay that no mind. And some of the destructions from Beryl, guys. And this is it. This is what happens after a bad hurricane. I'm just rolling through here, just taking some video clips on the meantime. I got my drone with me. I'm going to send that up in a bit and take it down the stretch and see what else we can pick up this morning. So stay tuned for that. Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. Bring you the latest update on after Hurricane Beryl in Montego Bay. Yeah, guys, so we're just going through checking and just videoing everything what's happening here. The stoplight is like leaned up. Yo, look at that. Holy shit. I want to go check my mailbox real quick too while I'm at it here. While I'm down here, it's empty. There's nobody here, so we're gonna come back and do this real quick. Yeah, so we by the courthouses and post office, guys, and just checking out down here. They got a little bit of destruction, but everything's all good. That's what's up, guys. Bless up. Right, guys, so what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna roll down St. James Street like what we did in my live. And I don't have my camera mount with me, and that sucks because I left it in the house on the damn window because of last night. So what we're doing now, we're just going through the town real quick and to see what damage was done. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. So this is St. James Street, guys. So we didn't get much flooding or damage in Montego Bay. We are right in Montego Bay wise. We good. We just rolling through Montego Bay town, and that's it. Everything else here is good, guys. We should be all right. I see the municipal police out. Everybody's out doing their thing the same way. Back to normal. All the people in town is just doing their thing, guys. So we just came out early in the morning. Take a quick look to see what's happening and who's out, who's not, and what's going on. All right, so stay tuned, guys. Epic day this morning. We outside just rolling around the town, just getting some video shots of what's going on, what damages took place, what, like, anything got messed up differently or whatever the case might be. But we're going out a little bit further. We're gonna take a quick flight, and this idiot, he must not see that the car is driving a while ago, but anyways, not paying him no mind. I think people just lost their rockers. But yeah, guys, so I'm just rolling down the main corridors, checking out to see what's going on after the storm. Montego Bay seem to be in very good intact, and that's not bad at all. I love this. This is good. We're back to business again. So this is what's happening here in Jamaica, guys. Big up yourself. Jamaican Shore Fishing coming at you live out of Montego Bay, Jamaica. And we seem to be all right, guys. A couple of the other little board structures in the craft market is gone. So, and they've been meaning to clean that area up anyway. by St. James Street and Fire Station and Harbor Street and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take a quick preps over here, see if I can get a flight in and get this drone up in the air to see what's up, and take a look over at Pier 1 and other places. But other than that, guys, Jamaica has not, I mean, Montego Bay has not really taken that much of a beating. It looks all right to me. Everybody seems fine, and we're doing well. So stay tuned, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here. Like I said, guys, we're just cruising the corridors, checking out, making sure everywhere is all right, nowhere is damaged, everywhere seems to be fine. Oh, we have one awning fall off of some building right here. There goes one right there, guys. That's the first one I've seen so far, and that came from way up top up there. That wasn't even down here. So we're just cruising through, guys, just checking, making sure everything's all right, checking everybody. Yeah, guys, I was just checking on the gully gutter a while ago. Gully gutter is clean as a whistle, guys. Out here is dead. The stoplights are not working, power is gone, the cell phone signals are down. Everything is down right now in Montego Bay, guys. So we out of service here when it comes to cell phone wise. I don't know what's going on, but all the stoplights are down. I'm passing by Pier 1. I'll show you guys in a second. That's Pier 1 over there, guys. That's what's happening over there at Pier 1. And we're at the fire station. There's trees by the fire station and the road and stuff like that. So we're just riding around, guys, checking out everything, making sure everything's all right, and we can go back to normality again after this hurricane. And from what I'm hearing, there's a lot more out at stake and on the sea. A lot more is out there, guys. So going down, holy smoke, big tree lifted up in the road right here. We got news team down here, guys. Yep, we got CBS news team down here. Look at them. Look at these guys. Woo, look at that. He's coming down to videotape. Holy shit, Mobay got destroyed, guys. Sorry, excuse me, guys. Well, anyways, we'll go over to Fisherman Beach, guys, and check out what's happening there real quick and see what's going on. Damn news team and cameras over a damn tree in the road. One tree in the road, guys. This is hilarious. I mean, our people is more used to crazier stuff than that, but just to go walk the Fisherman Beach and see if we can take a flight over here. I tried taking a flight on the other side, that wasn't working. So this is our fishery. Our fishery's all right. Just checking on our Fisherman Beach, guys, and making sure down here is all right. The car wash got destroyed. Yep, car wash got smashed to hell. And see what's going on our Fisherman Beach, guys. So let's park and we're gonna take a walk on what's happening here. We're down here on the local Fisherman Beach in Montego Bay. So all the guys, they moved up the boats and put the boats up on the sand, guys, and moved them off the water. We have a lot of coastal destruction down here, guys, but our fishermen was kind of smart down here. They just moved up their boats out the water and they're not taking no checks. So the water is pretty much clear down here, but we didn't get much damage down here, guys. It's all right. It's pretty good. Hold on, man. Yeah, man. Down here. So all right, guys. We're good like that. I'm doing our thing. I left my gimbal. I left my mount. I didn't expect to come out to make a video this morning, but it's not that bad. Holy shit. Look at this, guys. All the debris came down at the Barnett River. Diver, wagwan. You good? Yeah, guys. So look at this. So that's the Barnett River, guys. So the Barnett River send out all the debris. Even the big bamboo root that used to be at the river mouth is all the way out there now. Look at Pier 1, guys. That's what's up. So stay tuned, guys. Epic event. We're just going down, running through the streets in a couple of places and making a short video. I'm actually using my phone to do these videos, and I'm not using my GoPro or DJI camera. So this is our local Fisherman Beach, guys. So we're just doing a quick video, jumping in. We're gonna put this video together today and push it out for you guys so you guys can get it. Yeah, guys, so we're just exiting the Fisherman Beach now. We're down here on the Fisherman Beach and just checking out the situation around the boats and how they handle the situation with the weights and everything, and with the waves coming in and boat getting damaged. So you have this gentleman starting his boat up, checking it to make sure everything's all right with it, and everybody double checking their equipment and everything. So stay tuned, guys. We're just here just following up down on our local beaches and seeing what's going on. All right, yeah, so these are the trees I videoed earlier when CBS newscasting team was out here videoing these down trees. Like, we wasn't gonna clean this stuff up. This is what we do here, guys. We just get rid of this stuff out our way. This is part of the storm, guys. This is what happens. Trees get broken. I know all the mangoes in my trees fell off on the ground at the house. I'm probably gonna have to go up here and pick some of them up and put them up so they can ripe up, guys, instead of losing all those mangoes at the house and stuff. So stay tuned, guys. We're just out making a video real quick of updates of what's happening here in Montego Bay, Jamaica, guys. Stay tuned.